Welcome to Wellness and Country Life. Today I'm going to show you how I make dandelion flower syrup. Dandelions are abundant in spring and early summer months. Their pretty yellow flowers are attracted to bees and many other pollinators. Dandelion is a wild plant, but they are edible. The young tender leaves can be cooked and eaten. The whole plant can be used in tinctures and salves as natural remedies. Dandelion is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps stimulate digestive enzymes, support liver and kidney functions, and nutrient absorptions. For making dandelion flower syrup, you would need the flowers, dried or fresh, but in this video, I use fresh flowers. In a pot, put 1 cup of water, 3/4 cup organic cane sugar or other sugar substitute. On medium heat, boil the water and sugar while stirring constantly until the sugar is dissolved. Then, add 1 cup of fresh dandelion flowers that have been rinsed and drained. Stir in the flowers really well until they're all mixed in the sugar water. Add about 2 tablespoonfuls of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Stir well and cover the pot. Make sure you lower the heat for boiling so it does not boil over. Boil for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until the flowers get cooked and infused in the syrup. After 8 minutes, you should see a golden brown syrup. Turn off the heat and let it steep for 5 minutes until it cools down a little bit. At this point, you should see a slightly thickened syrup as the flowers get infused in sugar and lemon juice mixture. Transfer the dandelion syrup into a clean jar. Put the lid on and refrigerate overnight or 24 hours. The syrup is a combination of slightly bitter, tart, and sweet taste. It's actually a good flavor and I like it. After refrigerating for 24 hours, you can start using the syrup. You can keep the flowers in the syrup or you can strain the flowers out. Using a strainer, separate the flowers and the syrup. You can use a spatula. Press the flowers firmly to drain out all the syrup into a clean jar. This may take a little while, but you want to save as much of the potent dandelion syrup as possible. Cover the jar and keep it refrigerated until you consume it all. It keeps well in the refrigerator for up to 6 weeks. Then you can make another batch of dandelion syrup. You can make a big batch of dandelion syrup, just double the ingredients, add the basic ingredients, or you can add other ingredients like ginger and peppermint into your syrup. You can take 1 tablespoonful of dandelion syrup 30 minutes before meal as part of your immune boosting regimen. Stay healthy and happy foraging!